Go, Tucker. Get it. Get it. Tucker, look, look, look. Tucker, look. Look. That never happened. I'm gonna cut that part out. Come on, Tucker. You wanna get it? There you go. I'm looking at my Mom, it looks like I'm attracting Pepper, not Tucker.
Oh, she's gonna get that thing open.
I'm gonna. She's.
Oh, she's a smart dog. She's a smart dog. She's gonna go fighting again. She got a big hole.
Here, bring the box back here. No, come on, bring the box back here.
Whoops. Spencer, start shaking it. Here, how about you?
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look there, Maddie!
Put it back on the floor. Just hold it.
Get it, Pepper, get it. Oh, there she goes. Goes Pepper. She's going for the whip. Jeez.
What is it, Pep?
Pepper, she wants her treats.
Mom, stop. Come on, just let her get.
Oh, she got something. Ooh, she's getting angry at that box. Oh, she's taking it away. Hey. What? Wait. Okay, you can't have to go upstairs. Hey, wait, whoa.
Hey, Mom, can you hold Tucker? We got a problem.
She's going upstairs. Hey, come on, let's go. No, go upstairs. I'm bound to go upstairs. Oh, she thinks of Mexican jumping beans.
Stop her.
No. Don't take it towards it. Oh, I dropped one.
Just let her do this.
I've never seen her like this. This is still, she can fit her head right through her full thing.
She's got it stuck on her paw.
She got it stuck on her paw.
Spencer, stop. Stop, 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 stop.
I think she's eating. I think she's eating. I think she's eating. It's okay. Are you done, Mama? You done?
Spencer, stop.
She's done.
Let me take the ending.
Pepper, you got something on your no. Great job, Pepper! Yes, great job, Pepper! Great job! You win a grand prize. You know what that is? That. You get what's inside. Yeah, great job, Pepper! Woo, everybody cheer for Pepper. Mom, cheer for Pepper. Mom.
Yay, Pepper!
Woo! Pepper! Yeah. That was awesome. Peppo did it. Peppo did it, did it. Peppo did it.
Mm-hmm.